Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we are back with another small haul and unboxing this time. So, also to give you guys an update, yes, my Lazy Susan is working, so very happy and proud of that. I might add a little more condiments, so you already know. $5 at Target's Bullseye. So I love this Lazy Susan. Anyway, grab it before it goes. I will show the few things that I was able to pick up today. Nothing too crazy. I saw these cute zany. I love their zany sunglasses. They're so cute. They have great patterns, great designs, ultraviolet protection. As you can see, sunglasses. I think it's Lunettes de Soleil, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I love this nice stark white. Again, remember what you're not paying anything super designer, but I love how intricate and unique their patterns are. I thought of that lady. I think she was featured on Vogue. She must have been in her 90s or something, and she just passed away. God bless her soul. But she was very bold with her fashion choices, and she did not believe in growing old and losing her sense of style. So these sunglasses reminded me of her, and I thought, well, if I decide to dress up maybe for Halloween, or you see it in a review, they were these great oval like cylinder like, circle like sunglasses she always wore. She wore it with chunky jewelry. If anybody here who follows me knows who I'm talking about, her name escapes me at the moment, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know, or I'll just link maybe one of the many articles that were written about her life and her fashion choices in the description box. But when I saw these, I thought of her. I thought they were so cute. So, and FYI, sunglasses are not $1.25. They are $1.50. Maybe because they are so unique and cute and people buy them for that purpose, but they're not $1.25. Be conscious, guys, when you are buying or you're at the register. Don't be afraid to ask your cashier, because it's gonna get confusing. And I'm sorry, hate to say it, but yes, it is trickling down. The economy is not super great, and so yes, you can expect prices to be going up. The other places, they're going gun-ho for $1.75. Other items are like $1.37. This was $1.50 along with their balloons. So you got to be conscious. Everything else, more or less, that I was able to find was $1.25. So now we're moving into the summer. Expect to see the graduation collection to be rolling out. My Dollar Tree, I don't film when I'm in there because right now it's chaos. I don't know if it's like that in a lot of other places. It is a relatively big Dollar Tree, but I don't know. Maybe they had an influx with Family Dollar, so they have a bunch of products that they haven't even unpacked yet. But I was able to find by Be Pure. I've raved about their products before on my channel. Really great dupe for other like leading brand cosmetics, and I feel like they're laying out little small things if you're gonna put these kind of gift ideas in a basket now that Mother's Day is just around the corner. So I've seen this on TikTok. This is called a Jade Body Gua Shay massager, and I saw one for the scalp too, but this is for like the face. I've seen like other reviewers, and they use like a light facial wash or maybe even a serum, and you are to use like the edges to kind of like really rub on your face. Again, if you are sensitive or if you're allergic to this, I don't recommend. Please seek a dermatologist before you use any brand or any product on your face or skin. But I thought I'd give this a try because I think it works kind of like the roller, but also it's supposed to kind of, from what I've seen on TikTok, drain like, your lymphatic, the lymphatic system in your body, in your face and your neck. So as you can see, it's like kind of patterned there, like by the clavicle. So it's for the lymphatic system, I would say, but also kind of help with collagen perhaps as well. There's directions in the back and how to go about cleaning it. As you can see, jade is always recommended, I think, also for like for cosmetic purposes. So yeah, I picked one up for myself. And yes, thank goodness that's in their beauty care section. This is kind of in their sunglasses section, eyewear section, eye care section, and this is in their supply section. My Scotch packaging tape is back by 3M. I can't rave about this product enough. I love it. I'm sorry, in comparison to Jot. I know a lot of people, you know, I feel like there's a rivalry between Jot lovers and 3M lovers. I like this. This is better quality. I know it's not a lot of tape for $1.25, so that's why I opted for 2, but I still prefer this than Jot. Jot, for some reason, to me, I'm sorry, the adhesive isn't so super great. So they usually kind of just put these out for Christmas, but I opted for now because you always need some kind of Scotch tape. So I have that handy in my stock room. So lastly, well, these are the last few items. So those are the only things I was able, and I picked up some snacks, but I didn't want to share that. I've already reviewed on this channel. So let's move on to what I was discussing yesterday. Guys, are we ready for the solar eclipse? So I mentioned, I think the New York Public Library are giving shades out. Glasses that look like 3D glasses, like the movie glasses from back in the day. They're free. And also T-Mobile is also giving away. So I've opened some of these just because I am holding the camera and it's kind of hard to maneuver both. But it's a very relatively thin little shade. I have 2 pairs as well, so if I do damage one, I have the other one. So you can see that you are to wear these perhaps on top of your own glasses. And there's instructions provided with the T-Mobile logo, Eclipse lenses, instructions for use, as you can see. Again, so you're not surprised when you go. And look at this. These are glasses. See, they felt hefty when I was given this. And remember, this is free. Go to the cashier and specifically ask, do you have solar eclipse sunglasses or lenses? And they should provide. And this pouch is really cute. Big up to T-Mobile for being so nice and crafty about their... Oh, they are cute, guys. These are really cute. And they're UV 400 protection, made in China. But these are adorable. Oh my god, I wasn't even expecting them to be that cute. It has a T-Mobile logo. So I guess you are to put these... Oh, this is so cute and crafty. Put these on top of these. And tell me, leave me a comment in the section, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Where are you going to be seeing the solar eclipse? It's on April 8th, and I believe it starts at 1 in the afternoon. Remember, guys, eye protection is key. You cannot look directly because you will damage your own eyes, so your vision. So be protective, be cautious about your own well-being. But these are darling. These are way better. I'm sorry. Don't come for me, New York Public Library, but these are cute. Anyway, I know I sound like a nerd, but this is really cute. I was not even expecting it to look this adorable, and I got 2, so check that out. Anyway, follow the instructions, but again, while supplies last, so you know, if you have a T-Mobile near you, please go and check it out. Anyway, let's move on. We have the classic Game 4 that I was able to purchase from Target for $6. I loved this game when I was a child, and that the fact that these like traditional board games are coming back, I love, and they're cheap. This was like $4. So the classic game of Connect 4 for ages 6 and above by Hasbro Gaming. So cute. I think it's great. It keeps the brain active. I can't stress brain health, you know, as much as I can. Like, it's so important, guys. You have to flex even your brain muscles. It's like a muscle, so it's very important to have. I opted for the Game 4. It's pretty simple to follow. It comes with your coins, the yellow and the red. The instructions are below. It should be easy to assemble, and it comes with a little stand. It's stand and the instructions. This is really So I'm sure it was so much more expensive when it originally came out in the 80s, but I love these types of games, and it's perfect now that we're getting into the spring weather, park weather, beach weather. You know, if hey, while you're waiting for the solar eclipse, take a game with you to the park. It'll keep the kids busy, and it'll keep people entertained. You know, bring a little couple of sippy cups, adult sippy cups. Doesn't have to be just for the kiddies. And I bought, so this was at Target. I was able to find the Connect 4 at Target. And I came across this board game at Five and Below. So, and now that we're talking about the eclipse and the solar system, people who love the zodiac, I saw this and I thought it was cute. This is for ages 13 and plus, 5 and below. I believe this was $5.55. So it's called Give Me a Sign, an unforgettable game to test your astrological knowledge. Mix your star sign with fate, or roll the dice of destiny and let fate decide your next move. So warning, you know, for other, you know, smaller children, they're small pieces, so you want to be conscious. You want to be conscious of that while you're playing this. And but you know, we're adults here. We just never grew up. Anyway, so I've opened it. It had like a nice cellophane. I took that off. This is by Games Hub, and it comes with these pieces. It comes in this nice packaging. Remember, guys, I don't have a pause button, and I'm doing this all by myself, so bear with me if it gets a little clunky in the video. Anyway, so as you can see, how cool is this? This is like all of the game pieces. It comes with all the zodiac signs, Aries all the way to Pisces. So and it comes in an assortment of colors: blue, black, pink, purple, orange, and it comes with all the zodiac signs as well. These are like the game pieces, little star signs, so they're cute. Comes with give me a sign. What is the sign of the scorpion? So you were to like remember, if you really remember, yeah, every single detail about the zodiac sign is to test your memory. Another great memory find. It comes with a dice. Very nice. Nice turquoise. Really nice. And this is another one. It's another pack of questions, right? This one says, which planet is sometimes referred to as the taskmaster? And then you have like A to D options: Mars, Pluto, Saturn, Jupiter. How cute are these? So if you're like a big astrological zodiac lover, this is great to play at the game, at a park, at the beach, wherever you're having some R&R. And I see you have the option of Gemini, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn. This is so cute. I love this. And then there's an instruction manual inside. Oh no, the game board. The game board where you're supposed to lay your pieces, almost like a sundial, globe looking thingamajig, and how to play. Give me a sign, how to play. Each player gets a player board and matching color player piece, as well as a set of tokens. Every player places their playing place on the zodiac sign to start. This is a race to collect 12 star sign tokens. Turns are based on the chronological order of the zodiac sign: Aries first and Pisces last. I'm not going to read all the instructions again. You can purchase this either online or in the actual physical store of Five and Below. But this is cool. So look, I gave you guys even an idea of what to do while you're waiting for the solar eclipse. If you have the day off, if you have a moment, remember it's on a Monday, it's a work day. Or if you want to take your kids, so while the kids are playing, you can keep yourself entertained. You know, bring a couple of little sippy cups and really enjoy your time. How cute is this? All right, y'all. I hope you like what you see, this little mini haul and unboxing. And please stay tuned. If you like what you see, give us a like. Leave us a comment down below. Let me know, does anything here stick out to you? Is this something that you would want to invest in? Even just not even for the solar eclipse, but also for the summer, spring and summer. And if you like my channel, if you like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next video. I also have a GoFundMe, which I will link in the description box below. If you have a little time and can donate, it will really help out the cause and help donate to this channel. So until next time, y'all, please stay tuned for my next DIY, my next haul, my next unboxing, and my next review, which I'm excited to be doing soon. So please stay tuned for that. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl. Bye, y'all.